Okay, guys, so good night. How are you? This is my friend Chris. Chris, say hello. Fine, fine, Chris. How's everything? How's your night? Okay, so let me ask you some questions. Are you ready? Okay, the first one. What's your full name? Okay, Chris, thanks. And the second one. How old are you? Okay, okay, great, great. Um, the third, no, the number three. And when's your birthday? Okay, okay. Thanks for ask the question. Number four. What is your occupation? Your current occupation? Okay, it's great, great. This is a great occupation. Thanks for your information. And the last one. Um, what type or what type of activities do you like to do in your free times? Oh, wow, wow! This is great. Me too. And okay, this is the finish of the questions. And thanks, really thanks for your information, Chris. And see you soon. See you.